Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get clear video from iPhone to Android. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To transfer high quality, clear videos from an iPhone to an Android device using Google Drive, just follow these steps. First, go to the App Store and download Google Drive if you don't have it installed. Launch the Google Drive app on your iPhone by tapping Open and make sure to log in with your Google account. Tap the plus button, usually at the bottom right, and choose Upload. Choose Photos and Videos from the menu and choose the videos you want to transfer. The time it takes will depend on the size of the video and your internet speed. Ensure the upload completes before proceeding. Now, let us download the video to Android from Google Drive. If you don't already have it, download and install the Google Drive app from the Google Play Store. Launch the Google Drive app on your Android phone and log in with the same Google account used to upload the video on your iPhone. Navigate to My Drive section or the folder where you uploaded the video from your iPhone. Tap on the three vertical dots next to the video and choose Download. The video will save to your Android's device internal storage. By following these steps, you can ensure that the video maintains its original clarity and quality as it moves from your iPhone to Android via Google Drive. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.